Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in anti-detect browser Lauth. To start off, launch the browser and navigate to the Proxy and Connections section, then click on New Proxy. Here, you'll need to name your proxy list, select the type of connection, and enter the IP address and port. If your proxy requires authentication, enable the relevant option and enter your username and password. There is also a field for URL to change IP. Here you can add a link for automatic IP change via the proxy server. After filling in all the details, click Add Proxy, then test the connection using Check Connection. If you need to add a proxy to an already created profile, navigate to the Connection and Proxy section and activate the Browse using Proxy switch. After this, enter the details of the new proxy or edit the current settings. That's it. Your browser profile now uses a proxy server, allowing you to work securely and without unnecessary restrictions. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.